We are supposed to write the minors and cofactors of each elements present over here. Okay, let's try to do that one by one. Let's solve the first part first of all. In the first part, what we have, delta is equal to this determinant 1 0 0, okay, 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. It is pretty simple. Looks pretty simple, yes. Minors, let's try to find the minors one by one. And for finding minors, let me prepare a grid first of all. And this is the grid that I'll be using for writing the minors. Okay, there are a total of 9 elements. We'll be writing the minors one by one. M11 is equal to this over here. You delete the first row and the first column, what you get is 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1, and this will be equal to simply 1 minus 0, which is 1. This is minor M11. C11 will be plus 1, right? Extra plus will be there. Then M12 will be equal to, M12 will be, eliminate the first row and the second column, what you get is 0 0 0 1. This value will be 0 minus 0, which is 0. C12 will be minus of this M12. Minus 1 power 1 plus 2, that is minus 1 power 3, odd. Minus power 0 is, minus power 3 is minus, and then you have a minus 0, which is simply equal to 0. C12 is found directly. Then you have M13. What is that? Determinant of, by eliminating the first row and the third column, what you get is 0 1 0 0. And this will be again 0. C13 will be plus 0. Is that okay? Yes, plus 0 is also 0, right? Next, let's find this M21. What is that? This will be second row and the first column. Let's eliminate them. 0 0 0 1 is what I'll get. 0 0 0 1, and this will be again 0. C21, as you can see, will be minus 1 power 2 plus 1, that's 3. That will be an extra minus 0, which will be simply 0. Is that okay? Yes. Next, M22. So for M22, what we'll need to do is eliminate the second row and the second column. You get 1 0 0 1. And this minor, the value will be 1 times 1, which is 0. Sorry, 1 times 1, which is 1 minus 0, which is equal to 1. This is what you'll get. The value of this minor is this. And C22 will be equal to minus 1 power 2 plus 2, which is minus 1 power even. That's plus. So plus 1, which is simply 1. 1. This is what you have, C22. Let's find the next one. What do we have? M23. This will be equal to 1 0 0 0. The determinant of 1 0. This is simply 0. C23 will be minus 0. Again a 0. Minus, extra minus will be there. Yes. Next, M31 will be equal to what? M31 is third row and the first column 0 0 1 0. And the value will be 0. C31 cofactor will be minus 1 power 4, which is plus, and you have a 0, right? M32, what you'll have is third row, second column deleted 1 0 0 0. This is simply 0, and C32 will be minus of this, which will be minus 0, same as 0. M33, okay, now this is getting repetitive. Yes, M33 1 0 0 1. This is what you'll get. So this is a pretty simple question. The minor value is 1. The cofactor will be C33, which is minus 1 power 3 plus 3 minus 1 power 6. That is equal to plus 1, which is 1. So yes, it is getting repetitive, but that's a complete solution of this question, having all the minors and cofactors, having found all the minors and cofactors one by one using this. Right. For the second one, we'll get some distinct values, some different values, because the determinant is slightly typical as compared to this one. There were a lot of zeros over here. There are pretty less zeros over here. Let's try to solve that one. The second part, right? So for the second part, what do I have? I have 10435 minus 1012. Delta is equal to 10435 minus 1012. This is the determinant. And let's find the minors and cofactors using a similar idea as we just used by drawing the grid first of all. And since the elements are a bit complicated, we'll need more calculations. Okay, let's draw a slightly bigger grid. Okay, okay, and okay. What about this M11? Okay, there's no space for that. Let's find M11 over here. M11 will be equal to what? M11 will be, eliminate the first row and the first column. M11 will be for this element, and what you'll have is 5, 1, minus 1, 2. This is what you'll have. 10 minus or minus plus 1 is what I'll have. This is equal to 11. And C11 will be equal to plus M11, which is equal to plus 11, which is 11 only. So yes, we have found M11 as 11, C11 as 11. This is what you have done. Next. Let's solve M12. M12, the determinant will be equal to what? The value of minor can be found by eliminating this and this. And you get 3, 0, minus 1, 2. The value will be 6 minus 0, which is simply 6. C12 can be found easily. It will be having an extra minus 1 power 3. That will be minus and 6. Yes, this is what you'll have. First we'll find M. We require the minor M13 over here. M13 will be equal to 1 and 3 will be deleted, 3501. So this will be equal to 3 minus 0, which is simply 3. C13 will be plus 3. This is what you'll have. Extra plus sign. That's all that you have. Next, let's focus on this one. M21 will be obtained by deleting the second row. For this element, delete this row and this column. 0, 4, 1, 2. The determinant that you get is 0, 4, 1, 2. What is that? 0 minus 4, which is minus 4. Cofactor will have an extra minus since the sum is odd. C21 will be equal to minus of minus 4, which is 4. This is what we get. Cofactor, yes. Next, let us find M22, which is equal to what? M22 will be, eliminate the second row and the second column. What you get is 1402. And this will be equal to 2 minus 0, which is simply 2. C22 will be equal to plus 2. That's what you'll have, right? What about M23? We'll eliminate the second row and the third column. What you get is 1001. And this value will be simply 1. C23 will have an extra minus, and this will become minus 1, right? Cofactor of the 2-3 element, right? Then this will be M31 first of all. Let's write M31 over here. M31 is what we are interested in. M31, the minor will be equal to what? Third row and the first column will be eliminated. You get 0, 4, 5 minus 1. This will be 0 minus 5 times 4 is 20, which is minus 20. Okay. And cofactor C31 will be equal to minus 1 power 4, which is plus. So you'll have a plus times this, which will actually be a minus 20 only. It's minus 20. Next, after M31, we have M32. That will be equal to what? M32 will be equal to, for this element over here, the minor will be, eliminate this row and this column, we get 1, 3 and 4 minus 1. Which is minus 1 minus 12. Minus 1 times 4, minus 1 minus 4 times 3, which is 12. This is minus 13. C32 will be equal to odd, sum is odd, you'll have an extra minus of minus 13, that will be 13. So 332 will be equal to 13, as you can see. Next, M33 is equal to what? Determinant of 1, 3 and 0, 5 is what we'll need. 1, 3 and 0, 5. This will be simply 5 minus 0, which is 5. C33 is plus 5, as you can observe over here. And that's the answer for this question. All the minors and cofactors have been found over here. For second part 1 as well as second part 2, you can take a look at the complete solution and all the values once again. That is all that you have in this question.